In this session, we are going to see how to draw the three-phase line voltage waveform. Okay, for that, so this is the way to draw easily. Okay, first draw like this the four lines. Okay, first center line, then four lines, that is totally 5 lines you have to draw. So after which, as usual, keep the intervals. Then after this, keep next point between 2 points. Okay, between 2 points you have to keep the point, that is dot. Like this here also, between 2 points you have to keep one dot. So now connect. So here also there will be a dot between these 2 points. Now connect the lines like this. Okay, so like this you connect. So connect these 3 points. Okay, after this connect these 3 points like this. Okay, like this you connect. Okay, after this, so here also connect like this. After this, let me draw in pencil, because after that I will draw in different colors. Okay, so now connect. So keep a point here, and here also keep a point and connect like this. Okay, so after this connect these 2 points. Okay, so the first, so this is the center line. So in center line we kept the dots, that is time interval. Okay, the same dot you have to keep here. Okay, like this you have to keep. So in that, so like this you have to connect. Then from this point, sorry, it should be like this. It should touch the line. Okay, after this, like this, connect like this. So the cross point should be straight to this point. Okay. So this cross point should be straight to this point. Like this you have to draw. Okay. So you can continue. So like this you can draw. Down also you can draw in the same way. Okay, like this you can connect. Then you can draw the, let me give the color accordingly. So this is, so it is wrong. So the R face should be started from here. Okay, so this is R face. This is R face. So next opposite to this you can draw. Okay, opposite face with the dotted lines. So the opposite to this, draw the opposite face. Okay, or opposite face. Okay, so we have drawn our face. Oh, we should not write like this because this is line voltage. So I will write later. Next one is Y face. For Y face 60 120, so it should come here. Then next the opposite face also you can draw. In dotted lines you draw. Hope you get it. Okay, so just opposite to this line you have to draw the dotted lines. Okay, this is Y. Then next one is B. That's at 240 degree. 60, 120, 180, 240. Okay, here it should start. So this is your B phase. Okay, continue like this. Okay, so now we have to draw the opposite face in dotted lines. Okay, opposite to this line, this is opposite, and this is opposite of this one. Okay, now so we have drawn the three-phase line voltage waveform. Now we can name the voltages, that is line voltage. So first start from here. So this is, okay, this red one. Okay, this is your V or Y. Okay, that is the voltage between R phase and Y phase, that is V or Y. Okay, for next voltage, just write V, repeat this first letter. Okay, so R, and the next letter of the second letter after Y, B. Okay, now next line voltages. So R is repeated, R has been repeated already. So now you have to write the next letter. Okay, after R, Y. So Y. Now B just has been started. So now again repeat the same letter, that is B. Next, now only Y has been started. Next one is R. So newly started. So repeat it. Now newly started, repeat it. Y has been repeated. So next letter B. So like this you have to write. So before RY, what should come? VBY. Okay, before RY, VBY. So this is your VBY. So this is the short method to draw this three-phase line voltage waveform. You can draw otherwise like this also. So already you have drawn this three-phase voltage waveform. So in this you can draw the opposite phase. That's all. Okay, so this is R phase, then for Y phase, opposite. Okay, this is your Y phase, then opposite to B phase. Okay, this is what is your B. So opposite to this is I will use my blue. Okay, okay, so this is what is your three-phase line voltage waveform. Okay, here you can name. Okay, as I said already. So in the same way you can write the line voltages. That is, this is VRY, this is VRB, this is VYB, YR, then VR, VY, RY. Like this you can write. Okay, so in both method you can draw the waveform. First we drew the three-phase voltage waveform. Next, from that three-phase voltage waveform itself we can draw the three-phase line voltage also. Okay, if you feel difficulty to draw like this, you can draw easily like this. Okay, so any method you can follow. Thank you.